Alrighty, here we are. I want you to take a look at lesson 4. If I've given you some feedback that something isn't quite right, then here's what I want you to look at specifically, okay? Let's look at level 3, where they first introduce the headings, and we'll go from here, okay? So as you look at the way it's initially set up, and it gives you some information here, I also want to reiterate that up here is all the information that you need to learn about headings. What are they? How do I make them different sized? What are the tags and what do they look like? Getting into what HTML really stands for. What is the element? And you can see it's not always obvious how you scroll through this top part, so just try moving your cursor around so that you can get exposed to all that information. Okay, once you've read through that, then come over here and it says, look at what is written here in this document. And notice all this is between the body tags. My hobbies, they have soccer, then comes baking. And then you'll notice that the format for the words drawing and 2 years does not match the rest of the document. So what they want you to do is change the code so that it matches the headings on the rest of the page. Best way to do that, go over here to the inspector tool, turn it on, take a look at what soccer looks like here and the tags that are being used. And baking, see how both of those have an H2 tag? So what you need to do is come down here to drawing and see, oh, that's not correct. That doesn't match. It only has a paragraph tag. You need to replace that so it matches baking. In addition, do the same exact thing with the 2 years. If you use this inspector tool, notice for 2 years, right over here, it just has paragraph tags. But up here, they have an H4 setting. So go ahead and fix that. That's level 3. When you get to level 4, here's what they're asking you to do as you're working through this one. Here, they have the fonts listed, and actually I'm going to go back to what I initially had so you can see the original screen. On the original screen, it says, look at the inspector tool and figure out what makes the headings different sizes. So when you do that, you'll come over and look at these different words that are typed and notice they're all different sizes. The way you make that font size different is by using the heading tags, and look at how they have these here. They want you to go and fix these tags or correct them so that you can see that the word biggest has the biggest type, that then the word big has the next biggest, and so on. Do that in level 4 and hit finish. When you get to level 5, this one, you just have to fix the correct one and get through that level. It will correct it for you and won't let you move on and submit until you get through that one. And then finally, on level 6, you should be looking at this paragraph that they have typed in here, okay? But it's not set up and structured very well at all. So what you need to do, because when you read it over here, this text is all flowing together and you cannot tell the difference between anything. And so what you're supposed to do is I would turn on the inspector tool, look through here. Notice that even though there are all of these separated, that there's no structure or formatting set up here. You have the freedom to put in some paragraph and headings in here so that it looks more like it was intended. And that's your goal for level 6. Work through those and then let me know you have them done by either giving them to me or send me an email. Thanks.